Today's a pretty cool day to start off. We've got the guys from Adro here today to install the first ever full carbon kit that they make with the Swan neck for the Supra. Alright guys, so sneak peek. This is one of 4 Daniel's SEMA projects this year. We're going to be doing either a 4-point or a 6-point.
Crankhub number 4372.
What's up guys? So we want to make more videos so that way we can keep doing what we love to do. And we thought, why not show you guys what we do, what we love to do, and share some behind the scenes of what goes on a daily basis a little bit. So, you know, keep a lookout for more of these kinds of vlogs that we'll be putting up. But yeah, I mean, starting off, today's a pretty cool day to start off. We've got the guys from Adro here today to install the first ever full carbon kit that they make with the Swan neck for the Supra. So we'll be doing that. James has got another one of our Crankhubs. James, what number is this in the last 2 weeks, dude?
I think this is like number 6 or 7.
See, he can't even keep count.
Oh, in 2 weeks?
Like
no, in 1 week it's like, yeah.
Well, yeah. Well, the ones that you've done are like what, 6? You're on 6?
Yeah.
Anthony's like 2 or 3, so this is like number 9 in the last 2 weeks. Alright guys, so sneak peek. This is one of 4 Daniel's SEMA projects this year. We're going to be doing either a 4-point or a 6-point. 6-point, I totally forgot to reply your text, but that's going to be dependent on time. We'll know once we get into the 4-point design if we're able to do a 6-point in time. Obviously, we don't want to be the reason why nothing else gets done on the car, but yeah, we'll at least do the 4-point for sure.
Right now, piece of the intake off, and then I gotta take a couple more pulleys off, and then lock timing and pull the crankhub off. 2.5, 3 more hours till I'm done, so we're getting there.
By the way guys, real quick, this is Davis from Adro. What do you do at Adro, Davis?
I design all the air parts. I'm in charge of all the carbon fiber design, basically.
Fun, oddly enough, when we were unpackaging it earlier, he designed all the parts that we're unpackaging, but it's the first time he's actually seen it physically in the real world.
In real life.
Yeah, that must be really cool.
Oh, it's like you spend all that time in the monitor and then you finally see the product. It's a different animal.
Yeah.
Basically.
That's awesome. So what is this I noticed this is a signature.
Oh, so Carlo asked me for a signature, so I had to put it on for him. It's like kind of hidden inside, but it's like a little 2 cents.
Nice.
Yep.
That's awesome. So it's gonna go on like this, right?
Yes.
On the car?
Yes.
Okay. Oh nice. That's a little secret touch.
Yeah.
Nice. crazy things, guys, especially on the Supra. The front lip has so many edges, corners, curves, shapes. Whenever we install a Supra front lip, we always tell our customers, hey, like, we can't guarantee fitment. Even good brands, you know, sometimes they don't fit because the production is not exactly the same. So the fact that Anthony right now was able to just slap it on and everything meets up perfectly and there's no gaps. Look at this. Like, these gaps are perfect. And imagine trying to get the whole thing to line up from the whole left side of the car all the way to the right with all these curves, all these edges, and then meeting up perfectly with these lines. So that's, for me, the front lip is the hardest thing to make on the Supra. So big ups to Adro for that. Ready? What?
No, not me.
We want to know what you think. What do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
What's your favorite part? The wing, for sure. And the front lip.
Yeah.
Actually, even the side skirts.
Yeah, you saw like the mounting, right? The
Yeah.
crazy rear. Yeah. I think that's the coolest part as well. That's definitely the most unique part, but also from a technical standpoint, it may be harder to install and you'll have to take it to, you know, a place that actually knows how to do the install for the wing, but definitely worth it. Those CAD designed carbon brackets, reinforcement brackets or plates, if you want to call them, make a huge difference. But yeah, the results came out amazing, and the fitment, just like with all the other Adro stuff we've installed, even on the BMW or the M4, it's just perfect fitment. So yeah, really happy with the way the car looks. So where are you gonna debut it at?
Well, Beamer Invasion.
Beamer Invasion.
Yeah, but I'm going to like a Cars and Coffee for GR movement
Okay.
this Sunday.
Nice.
So that's like a preview.
Yeah, yeah. Cool. So if you guys want to see this car in person, if you're local, check it out at GR Movement's event this Sunday. Or if you're going to make it to Beamer Invasion in Irwindale, September 3rd, car will be in Adro's booth. We'll also have a booth there. We'll have some of our latest and coolest builds to show off and display. And if you guys want to see more stuff like this, comment in the comments below, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks, guys.